Okay, so this is our cabin. This is stateroom 6005, which is a balcony style on Queen Victoria. So it's quite a large, spacious cabin. Lots of room for storage, so you can put all your evening gowns to all of these built-in cupboards. And then, so yeah, you get a robe and some slippers, nice hanging, so your ball gowns and dresses and stuff, all the formal nights. It's quite popular, sorry, to have one every sea day, more or less. And it's on the cruise planner. Quite a large space, it's safe, so you can put all your stuff in there. When you board, they'll take your passport and take a copy of it, so they've got that on board. You can store that in here. Some cruises, they may keep it. They'll let you know at that check-in. And then yeah, so another really large spacious wardrobe and hanging space, and then your second life jackets up there. On the back of the door, you've got the plan. So we're quite far forwards. This is our cabin here, and then this is in relation to the ship itself. So Queen Victoria is not a very large ship. She's only 12 decks high. All the way forwards here, the theatre is our muster station, which is really nice. We'll take you for a little tour in a bit so you can have a look. Yeah, so you've got all your information there. And then you have a nice settee over here. On some of the rooms, they pull out into a bed. This particular room, I don't think is the case. This one is just a standard sofa. And you got your coffee, tea making facilities there. One of the things that's really nice, because it's sort of marketed at all markets, you've got every single conceivable type of plug that you could need. So you've got European, American, British. You've got 2 American plugs, so it's just one thing to bear in mind. And then you've also got European plug here, so it's worth taking adapters if you've got a lot of things to charge. But if you don't, or you forget it when you come on board, they're sorted, and they'll sort you out as well. If you need it, you can buy them from the shop. Yeah, so then looking back at the room from the balcony, it's quite a large room, really nice and spacious. It's got a nice big TV, nice desk sort of space. And yeah, if you had a family in here, it would be possible on some other cabins. I'm not sure this was the case. We'll have to have a look at this sofa, but that would come out into a bed, so you can have the child there, or if you have a younger infant, they can set up the pop-up crib. And yeah, so on the side of each bed, you've got nice storage on either side. On Queen Elizabeth, you actually have USB chargers on the side, so it's something that will be probably coming to this ship soon. I don't know the ins and outs, unfortunately, whether it will be. It's just one thing to bear in mind. So yeah, and then going into the bathroom, which is here. Cool, so this is the bathroom. Going in, so you've got a bit of a step. It's not particularly too bad to come up in. Yeah, so you've got the nice built-in bathroom, ensuite, nice shower, controls, and then you have a little nook to put your toiletries. And then over this side, you've got all the complimentary shower gels, and I don't know which company they're with. Let's have a look. Yeah, so nice shampoo, nice body wash and shower gel, and then a lotion. Yeah, a nice storage, and you've got a little area down here to put stuff. You've got towels, hand towels, so yeah. Oh, and the other thing that's quite good as well is the retractable washing line, so it goes over there to here, so you can put stuff up like your bathers and stuff from when you've been in the swimming pools. Just forgot to mention, also, we have an import fridge and complimentary sparkling wine, which is really cool. And they have chilled the glasses down for it. That's really nice. Ooh. And hairdryer, and a bit of stationery. Okay, so yeah, this is the desk, a bit of close up, and you get this as you come on board. So it's your daily program. If it was a longer voyage, not just a night, you get one of these each evening for the next day, and it just tells you about what activities are going on, what times it's all happening, and like advertisements for like different things on board, like the spa and the wellness centre. And yeah, so it's all really cool. Tells you a little bit about what you can see and do, what time different things are on, what to wear. Yeah, it's really helpful. There's a little bit of information about how to keep yourself healthy while on board, so like COVID protection stuff, what to do in the event of on longer cruises while on board. You'd be asked to go through testing, so lateral flow and stuff like that, and that's done as part of the course before you come into port. But you'll find that out per cruise, and all of the information will be provided to you by the onboard team. Toffee tea making facilities. Okay, so yeah, that concludes our room tour of 6005 all the way forwards. I hope you liked it. See you soon.